This hiking trail goes all around from where I live, and it goes all the way around my town that I live in. And it veers off into like these little dirt trails too, through the woods. There's some bridges that go through the woods. I think they were dried up streams. Now they're all overgrown with trees and brush. See. There is a little stream just down the up front a little bit. We'll go there. Hi, hon. I can hear it. Oh yeah, there it is. You can't see it real well, but you can hear it a little bit. It's a stream. A tiny little waterfall. I wish you could see because there's a higher point too. It like dips like two waterfalls, but you can't see the bigger one, which is down the ways. Maybe I'll come back in the wintertime when the trees are bare and you can see it all. Somebody lost their little jacket. I'll leave it there. Somebody left it there. Maybe they'll find it and come back for it. There's some water. Kind of murky. Sometimes deer come through here. There's a little chipmunk. Hi. I hear you. Not gonna hurt you. Actually, I'm just doing the short route today because the trail, the other path I was just veered off of, it goes down straight like another couple miles. So nice. Not a tall brush. Lots of critters in here in the woods. They're all hiding from me. It's a great bike path too to ride on. Oh, look at that. Beautiful dog. Hi, how are you? So pretty. I like the coloring. What kind of dog is that?
He's a golden. He just is.
Hi, can I put you on camera? Can I put you on camera? I didn't bring my little one today with me.
It's funny to take him for a walk. It's more of a sniff. There's so
Yeah.
much going on out here.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
You too. Now we're getting, if I go straight all the way, we'll go into town. The little town I live in, which is really nice. It's not real little, but. So this path goes all the way around the town. Then I'm going to veer off to the right, or to the left, in a little bit. I might have to change my battery. I'm filming this with the GoPro, the Black Edition of the GoPro, and the batteries don't last very long, so I have a bunch in my pocket. Hey there. All the squirrels gathering their food for the winter. Can't walk in here, there's too much. There's not enough clearing. Let's cut across here. It's not enough you can see, but it starts turning into town, goes into town. There's another trail. Another bridge. I like it in here. There are a few more trees there, and there's enough to build a little house, a little cabin. That'd be nice. gonna go back the other way that I came because we're getting into town now and I don't want to walk through town maybe another day. So there's like a neighborhood, some homes. Even this battery's starting to go out. Getting momentum here, walking. Let's see if this little trail goes anywhere besides a dead end. Oh, I don't know if I trust that plank too well. It's awful flimsy, so we'll just go around it. I don't feel like breaking an ankle or spraining it. If I'm right, this should lead back out to the road. Yep, there it is. Hi, how are you? Okay. Beautiful day. My favorite time of year is spring and fall. I don't like it too hot and I don't like it cold. So spring and fall are perfect. It's about 69, 70 degrees out. Oh, another squirrel.